Hello everyone, today discuss about water resource engineering. The topic is recording rain gauge. Now, recording rain gauge produce a continuous plot of rainfall against time and provides reliable data of intensity and duration of rainfall for hydrological analysis of storms. Commonly used recording rain gauges are tipping bucket type, weighing bucket type, or natural siphon type. Tipping bucket type, this is the diagram of tipping bucket type. In this case, this is a 30 centimeter size rain gauge. रेन गेज प्रोवाइड होता है इसमें 30 सेंटीमीटर. The catch from the funnel falls onto a pair of small buckets. These buckets are so balanced that when 0.25 mm of rainfall collects in the buckets. Catchments means ये होता है छोटा छोटा जो कैचमेंट बनाते हैं हम लोग जहाँ वाटर स्टोर हो स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में. And the buckets are so balanced that when 0.25 mm of rainfall collected in one bucket, it tips and brings other one in position. The water from the tipped bucket is collected in a storage can. Now, animation of tipping bucket types. Tipping bucket कैसे वर्क करता है? This diagram shows the here provided the this is the rain gauge. Working is the start funnel. Read a switch managed small buckets, drain hole, weather station, rain counter, and finally rain gauge. Consider the how can tipping bucket working. Now, weighing bucket types. This is the weighing bucket type. Here, the upper portion is funnel and outer cover, then collecting bucket, then balance, linkage mechanism, then the bottom provided pen arm, rotating chart, extension, spring, etc. Now, natural siphon type. This type of rain gauge is also known as float type gauge. In this system, rainfall is collected by a funnel-shaped collector is led into a float chamber causing a float to rise. As the float rises, a pen attached to the float through a lever system records the elevation of the float on a rotating drum driven by a clockwork mechanism. Basically, हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं एक पेन अटैच करते हैं फ्लोट राइज से, देन आपका सिस्टम काम करेगा. A siphon arrangement empties the float chamber when the float has reached a present max value. Now, natural siphon type. This diagram shows the natural siphon type. How can create the energy natural siphon. So, in this topic, we have discussed about rain gauge, siphon. Siphon basically हाइड्रोलिक्स में बात करेंगे हम लोग तो बेसिकली siphon जो होता है highest point this and water जो है लो लेवल से हाई लेवल तक जाता है. Siphon is the part of hydraulics and we have discussed siphon in fluid mechanics also. So here siphon is the basic concept clear in fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Here tipping buckets, discuss about animation of कैसे work करता है tipping bucket. Now weighing bucket, funnel and outer cover provided. Collecting bucket रहेगा. Collecting bucket हो गया आपका. Balance linkage mechanism होगा आपका. Pen arm, rotating chart, extension, spring, etc. Natural siphon tap. This type of rain gauge is also known as float tap. Natural siphon tap जो होता है basically float tap rain gauge कहलाएगा. Float means जो flow हो रहा है आपका rain gauge, the float tap rain gauge कहलाएगा. In this system, rainfall is collected by a funnel shaped. एक funnel होता है जो top पे provide किया जाता है collector और collect करता है उसको. Is laid into a float chamber causing a float to raise. At the float raises, a pen attached to the float through a lever system. Lever system provide रहता है जिसके through वो rise करता है. Recording the elevation को हम लोग record कर सकते हैं. तो basically in this topic we have discussed about different types of rain gauge, recording rain gauges, and different types of recording rain gauges, tipping, weighing, and natural siphon of types. So basically in this topic we have discussed about different types of rain gauges in the water resources engineering. Okay, thank you.